Today I show you how to make butterfly sleeve from a circle of fabric. We need a piece of fabric with a width and length of 40 centimeters. You can make it bigger or small, it's up to you. I'll use the rule to draw a circle. Draw the lines 20 centimeters long each to make a circle. Have a look at the circle. Its diameter is 40 centimeters. I am not drawing a small circle in the center. Measure 6.5 centimeters with the rule, put a mark there, and start drawing a small circle with the center in this point. For the pattern of the sleeve, we need only one measurement. This is the circumference of the armhole. Cut out a small circle. This will be the armhole. Now, on a mannequin, I will show you how it will look.